How do I get to tell my kids that their father died? He didn't die in an accident. He wasn't sick. How would I get myself to tell them that he was born? How do I get to tell them that he was born? How? My name is Princess Munachi Njokuri. I'm the wife of late Mr. Ifani Njokuri, the deceased, who was killed alongside the sister, late Mrs. Majela Chinyere Ogudoro. I've been married to my husband for 2 years. We have a son, a year and 5 months old, and I'm currently expectant. And I don't know how it's going to be for me. I don't know, coupled with the fact that I'm a young girl. I don't know. See this happening. I never thought it's going to be me. Before my husband died, he gave an account of what happened. In the message, he said they came in and they were sleeping. They were in the visitor's room. Him and his sister. The sister was lying in bed and he was lying on the floor. So Miss walked in and started accusing them of locking him outside.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people. This video today now about one girl will cry out, say he husband meme for inside house with his sister when her husband meme with fire, say fire enter their house, so now so her husband die. So the thing really shocked me when I see the video. I say who do this kind of thing? But some people they wicked, some people they heartless for this life, some people they wicked. People they wicked for this life, People really they wicked, like seriously. This woman say he husband go greet his sister for house. So her husband sleep for ground, his sister sleep for up. So you get one man where say he come the house. Whether not the brother of the man or be the brother, I don't just understand. He say the man, because according to Wetin he quick the man, her husband talk before he meme. Say he come. So whether the offender be, I don't just understand. I'll put the video, make una list about una self. Even though say evil offender, you know if you do that kind of thing to your own enemy. This man know say these people they inside house. He put fire for after he come out, he put fuel. He put fuel. He can't put fire for the house. As I dey talk to Nana, these people just they born for inside house. This man run come out, they say fire enter in your body. He come quick run come out. People come concentrate on him. They quick make him dey okay. They pour water for his body. Long no, he say other people they inside house where they go, my people. Before they know now, those ones don't strong go, make they come out. Fire don already enter their body, they go already. Before they even say make they can't do everything, fire don burn. So the husband and the sister, they struggle for inside house. This evil man, they outside, they tell them say, na your body fire dey. So people just concentrate on him. They don't know say two people they meme for his house. Before those who are confident strong will come and fire don't finish them. That's what the two of them take meme. But people did this life, sha. People did this life. Wicked people did this life, my people. Wicked people did this life. This girl, to him with the man, they just marry. We never tell here. 2 years, 9 days so. Small girl, young girl just lose your husband. Just like that. How this girl want to move on now? How this girl want to continue now? He said, I ain't go to tell the children, say na fire, na you meme their papa. I ain't go to talk am. Na people things dey this life, sha. I fear who not fear these people. I fear who not fear that man. God, just born people alive. What did they do you? Wetin the man do you? They owe you when you no fit tell am. When you know say na young guy wey be say you just marry, young guy, the girl too na young girl. And so these two people just take meme. Eh? So the girl is crying for justice, say because he wants me to take justice for his husband. Eh? My people, I bet more help me share this video. Make una help me share am. And maybe people help this girl so that maybe if we fight this thing with them. You understand, my people? I'll put the video make una see and I'm like the thing really shocked me. The thing really shocked me, like seriously. No. This one are very wickedness. Wicked to the core. Wicked. Who does that? How you go do this kind of thing to human being, my people? I'll put the video make una see. Bye everybody. Bye.
How do I get to tell my kids that their father died? He didn't die in an accident. He wasn't sick. How would I get My husband was rushed to the hospital. My husband is the most amazingly, outstandingly wonderful human being that you would want to actually have as a friend, as a brother, as anything good. My husband is